home in Joplin, Missouri, with a very good friend, longtime friend, Stuart Diesel Reynolds. And I'm looking at a book that Stuart wrote that I want to recommend to all of you who are out there listening to the program today. A book entitled Created in His Image. And Stuart, I'm sure, will not mind if I tell you that this book is based upon a lot of information that I shared with him several years ago, and he has taken it and made it into what I believe is a must-read for you. Actually, I wrote on the back of this book for you a little introduction to the book that I would like to take the time just to read to our audience here. The professor, that's me, always hopes that the student not only gets it, but is capable of communicating it to his audience as well. Stuart Diesel Reynolds has certainly demonstrated that he gets it and that he knows how to pass it on to you. And as far as I'm concerned, this book, Created in His Image, is a must-read for every serious student of the Bible who is both interested and able to think outside the box. Again, created in His image. And Stuart, I rate this book personally 5 stars, and I want to congratulate you on the effort that went into writing that book, which I believe is one of the must-reads for those in our audience today.
Well, thank you, Dr. Blizzard, but none of this would be possible if it weren't for your input in my life. And the book records for posterity some of the teachings and some of the information that Dr. Blizzard has shared with me.